Hey YouTubers, this is Paulo over here with little interesting thing I got here. This is I have an old C6 Corvette and it doesn't have Bluetooth or the X cord plug, whatever they call it. But I got this little gadget over here. I bought it. It cost me $90. But I tell you guys, that was definitely worth it. I want to keep my car original, and this is a beautiful thing. I did not want to spend $700 or $800 buying a radio for my Corvette 2006, so I bought this thing. It's the transmitter, FM transmitter. Anyways, so not too good. This is my first video, so apologize. This is a little messed up. So this gadget is really worth the money. I'm telling you guys out there, if you want to keep your car original, you don't want to mess around with the radio, get this. I mean, I've used this. I bought other products. It's so staticky, you lose it. It don't work good, but this delivers what it promises. Believe me. GizmoGadgets.com, you can get him. It's worth it. Not only that, I got a 1978 Ford Thunderbird. In the radio, yeah, back then they were not good radios anyways, but all you have to do is set up the station. It was on the back of the product right here, and my T-Bird, man, I can listen to any program I want, watch videos on my phone, listen through the speakers of my T-Bird, listen to my music, and it's really worth it, man. Trust me guys, get this right here. It's worth it. GizmoGuy.com. This is not a paid advertisement, but I just wanted to help all you guys out there that have old cars and you want to keep your original radio, but yeah, you want to get new music and you want to use a smartphone. I got a Samsung Galaxy 8 and it's perfect. I love it. I want to thank the guy who invented this. I paid $90 and I do not regret spending the money. So thank you for coming out with this product. I love it. I recommend it to anybody. So please do yourself a favor. Try it. It really works. Alright guys. Have fun. Enjoy your Corvette or Thunderbird. Like I have a Thunderbird right there. I don't know if you got right there. It's my Ford Thunderbird. This is my Corvette. And that's my Ford truck. It's a 2001. I don't have it. A nice radio either. But I use this thing wherever I go. And I love it, man. God bless you all. Buy the product and enjoy it. Have a good one. Bye.